Yeah, so like also, first off, it's huge, right? It's amazing. We're gonna go to a drugstore later. Got a little bit of knee trouble. Forgot to grab my knee brace from home whenever we left. But is it a drugstore? We also don't know. Another thing that's confusing me about South Dakota is what is Wall Drug? Like, it's just, is it a drugstore? Is it an amusement park?
75 billboards.
Yeah, so absolutely crazy. Also, look at this view! Slow. Bird. Yeah, South Dakota's wacky. Honestly, I kind of want to live here.
I feel like we say that every time we go vacation. So I'm like, I'm gonna live here.
I mean, yeah, right?
But I do like it.
Wacky stuff, man.
I also like
There's a bridge!
I like the fact that it is 65 degrees right now.
In the summertime?
It is easily 97 at home.
Maybe like have like a ranch here or something that we can visit frequently.
Also, I was shocked. It's not that far of a drive. Like
What?
One day hard drive, you'd get here.
Yeah.
Not even that hard, because like we drove.
It was leisurely.
We drove 8 hours.
Also, the speed limit's like 9,000 miles an hour here, so
It's 80.
I was close. Whew. Hey, this is pretty. Hey, I love you.
Hey, I love you.
Mwah. To traveling. Comrade. There's the Badlands. Right there. Like, over here, grassland. But like, over there, Badlands. Yeah, that's us. Bloody. Welcome to South to Canada.
Souther to Canada.
Southernmost to Canada. You can talk to them.
No. Wow. Look at all these rocks. Anything where he gets to climb rocks, he's a happy boy. There he is, just laying there. He's laying there. Finally noticed me. Don't do anything dumb. We are well out of what's the word for doing some push-ups? Oh my gosh, what are you doing? We talked about this. That's enough. I am nervous. I'd like you to stop that. Thank you. Hey you! Hey you!
Hi.
I'll go climb some rocks together.
Okay. Mwah. Mwah. Hi.
Go do the thing you're gonna do.
Okay. Just like this.
Just like that. Oh, he did that really fast. I wasn't paying attention. And then I don't think I recorded it to the level he wanted. Do a little dance. Do a little dance.
a weird little dance.
You're doing the weird little dance. You're doing the
You're dancing
The lighting
weirdly
here is
little,
fabulous.
weirdly dancing.
There's a duck.
What?
Swimming upstream. And they be nice to the wildlife.
I pretend that you don't see it.
You gotta hop like he do. So you gotta do that. Bye, duck. Well, you got it on a space.
I didn't make a duck friend.
I didn't hear any of that.
Duck friends.
How about we just let the ducks be ducks and we be Gage and Hannah?
We'll see. Fun, exhilarating, breaking out of my comfort zone a little bit.
Look at this guy.
I love being with you.
I love being with you too.
Ducks. The quackening will commence.